പിന്നെ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും ഈദ് മുബാറക്. ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കണ്ട. ഈ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യണേ.
The day before Eid al Adha is the day of Arafah. And it's on this day the Hajj pilgrims gather on the plains of Arafah. They offer supplications, repent, and seek mercy of God. And it's highly recommended for others to observe fasting on this day. So I wanted to finish off any Eid cleaning before the day of Arafah, as we are fasting the next day. Apart from the regular cleaning, I just organized some of my kitchen shelves, kids' wardrobe, which needed attention since a long time. I made some masala cookies in the evening, as Izza will not be fasting the next day and she'll be having something to snack on. And on the Arafah day, for the iftar, it's always Pathiri. During this Ramadan, I mostly made Rava or Semolina Pathiri, but this time I made rice Pathiri and beef curry. I made more so that we can have it as breakfast on the Eid day as well. The link for all the recipes are given in the iCard above or in the description box down below. This time I wanted to make something different as Eid's gift, and these are the plant gifts I made. You can also make this beautiful plant gifts by watching my last video. On the Eid day, everyone offers Eid's prayer after the sunrise, which is usually done at Eidgah. But like the last time, this time also we didn't have Eidgah because of COVID-19. So we offered Eid's prayer at home. Then we had our breakfast, that is rice pathiri and beef curry, and I moved on to lunch preparation. Lunch dish was also same like that of our last Eid, Mutton Mandi. That's my kids' favorite. I'm not showing the full recipe here as I have already done that in my last Eid vlog. The link is given in the iCard and in the description box down below.
Super biryani.
Next, I have boiled some milk and kept it aside to make vermicelli payasam or kheer. And as the second step, I'm going to saute some cashews and raisins in ghee and keep them aside. This is the brand of vermicelli I'm using here today. It's the product of Pakistan and it's a 200-gram pack. Husband and kids did the process of breaking the vermicelli. Into the same pan, after roasting cashews and raisins, add some more ghee and add vermicelli. Stir and roast continuously on medium to low flame until the vermicelli strands turn golden brown. Once done, it's time to add boiled milk. Mix well, and once it starts to thicken, we'll add some more milk. It has started to thicken after continuously stirring for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Mine is a non-stick pan, hence there is lesser chance of milk sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now adding more milk and let it boil. Once the kheer has reached the desired consistency, you can start adding the rest of the ingredients. I've added 4 cardamom pods crushed, 1 cup of sugar, quarter cup almonds chopped, and some salt. I've added some water as I felt the payasam is getting thicker than what it is required. And finally garnishing it with cashews and raisins. So our payasam is ready, and in the afternoon everyone was getting ready to go out. For the last Eid we completely stayed at home, so this time we are going to our cousin's place and kids are super excited. Because of the COVID-19 restrictions, it's been a long time since we have visited any of our relatives, and this time kids were really happy and they enjoyed a lot.
Off ആക്കാൻ